All right, guys, I'm gonna get started. There's still quite a few people out there just wandering around, but I'm gonna start eating into some of the speakers' times. We're gonna get behind. So, thanks for coming out. My name is Justin Van Cleve, Secretary and Board Member for OWAI, work for RC Works and Company. We got a lineup of speakers here for you guys this morning. We got Tyler Fortunati with ID. He's going to go through all of the changes that just happened in the TGM this year. There's quite a few. We've got Scott Hammerschmidt with the Renko Systems. We're going to go through some hands-on panel controls, wiring up some things, going through programming and that. We've got Craig Paul and Mike Cook here. Craig Paul's with the Health District in Twin Falls. It's District 5. And Mike Cook's with IDQ. They're going to go through and do soils and soil interface presentation that's going to kind of lead up to the hands-on soils class tomorrow. We've got a bunch of stuff to do some soils typing and that. So, and then at 3 o'clock we'll have a short break, and then outside we'll do the rodeo competition. Machine will be out there, so hopefully you guys can join us for that. We'll just go through real quick so we can get Tyler up here. The association is still growing. We had a little bit of a slowdown in new membership last year, but all of our members so far have returned. We're probably going to see another little slowdown for regulators. We had some conversations with Craig Paul, and then also the what's that work group, Craig?
Environmental Health Directors.
And we kind of went through our bylaws and reevaluated how the government membership category was supposed to work, and that was reserved for the entities themselves, not the employees of that. So they've been shifted into a category that now has dues that are supposed to be paid, but one of the things that I think is nice about that is before, I don't know that we could really justify having regulators on the board at a zero membership, no voting category, and we kind of want to have that opportunity to bring them on board so we can keep things even across the industry. So that's kind of nice. It's probably going to take a little while to build that part of the membership back up because it does go from $0 to $95, but we're seeing a couple already, willing to step up, and so that's really nice that we have that support from them. I think you guys are pretty familiar with our goals. They're up there on the screen. You just kind of take a glance at those. I won't go through them again because just kind of getting people rolling here. All that stuff's on our website too, so you can check that out. There's different categories of membership: supporting, general, student, and government. Again, that government one has changed, so it kind of explains that whole thing right there. Supporting membership is up to 3. You get different privileges as far as like conferences and things go, and presentations and that. And then of course, general memberships, just that, it's one membership, an individual, one vote per membership. You got your student memberships, which we actually have one of. I think he's a student at Whitworth, so that's kind of nice. That's the first one we've got there. This kind of goes through our benefits package that we have through a couple different other entities. One is what's called NPP. They go through different industries all over the United States and partner with their industry associations and offer the members benefits. So these benefits aren't available to every member because it's set up specifically under rules for NPP based on federal laws, is how I understand it. So it's restricted to certain types of companies and businesses and individuals. So if you have any question about who's eligible for that, just let one of us know. We also have a partnership with NOWRA that's still in the works. There were some, as the newsletter indicated, there were some, what I think references staffing issues, but the director over there had some pretty serious things go on with his family, and so he's been out of the office for quite some time and hasn't been able to finalize the paperwork yet, but all of those benefits are available. He's working slowly on getting back into everything that he's got to do. He works with every Onsite Wastewater Association in the United States, so it's a slow process, but that's still all on board, and so there's quite a few benefits there through NOWRA. And that membership is included. I think right now for an individual in NOWRA it's $125 a year. So So whatever you pay for OWAI, that includes OWAI membership and now rep. That's about it. I don't know if you guys have any questions for me or for the association, or no, we'll just get rolling.